So we're back at it. We have now found some data that we're interested in. We saw in the previous example video that I was looking at the average age of the top male professional skateboarders and also the top female professional skateboarders, to say maybe that the males are collectively older than the females, but we'll see. So I did a little bit of researching. This website, The Border, is a legitimate skateboarding and BMX website that has a bunch of data. They run a bunch of events to try and just keep things organized and keep skateboarding going, but they also have a bunch of great data that's here. So what I'm looking at here is the top 1,000 ranked male skateboarders. So for my data set, I would need the ages of potentially the top 30 or so. So what I'm doing here, and I'll share the whole screen so you can see what I'm doing. What I'm doing here is taking note of each skater's age. So I know that Nigel Houston's 26, so that's the first bit of data I would want. So over here on a test sheet, again, I'm in Sheets for Google. I'm just gonna write 26. That's my first data point. And then I know that this second person, Alex Sargente, or Sargent, not sure, it's 23, so that's my second data point. And if you want to organize this even more, you can have male skateboarder age. And then over here, you could have female skateboarder age. If you want to keep all of your data together. So I need 30 of these. I'm going to fill this in. We'll talk soon. Well, the next time you see this in a few seconds, I'll have 30 points thrown in. Sound good? See you soon. All right, I did it. I got all this data now. These were based off of a few pages, but lo and behold, I have a bunch of data points. I have a bunch of pro skateboarders that are specifically male. So now it's time to make a graph for this. So what am I doing? I'm clicking the first data point, and I'm going to highlight everything that's here. So I'm going to go down here. I'm hitting Shift and then clicking that last point 31. So notice how everything is now highlighted. I'm going up to click Insert. I'm scrolling down to Chart. So Insert Chart. You're then given a bunch of options with how you want to deliberate these ages. So I have this set up as a histogram, which is good. That's exactly what I want. I know that the, let's see, I have the bins currently going from 15 to 19, which is fine. I'm okay with that. Let's see, can I switch the bins around? If I hit customize, I can. Let's see, there's got to be something here where I can switch this around. You know what? Let me take a moment and find it, and then I'll kick it back to you. All right, so previously I was trying to figure out how to change the bucket size or the bin size. So what you're going to do to change that is once you have your graph highlighted, you're clicking Customize. You're then hitting Histogram. This should open up. And then whatever you change your bucket size to, that's going to change the bin width. Previously, we said it was bin width, but here it's saying bucket size. So notice that if I hit my width to be, bucket size to be 50, everybody's going to be in there. If I hit 25, not much changes. If I hit 10, that gets a little bit better. This is now saying that almost, like 19 skateboarders are between the ages of 15 and 25, but remember that we want to have more than 5 bins. So to make that happen, best way to do it, I think personally, is to have the bucket size go in increments of 2. For your data, it might be different, but mine can go in increments of 2. And lo and behold, I have my first graph, which is good. I hope that this video was helpful. Again, you need 2 histograms. And in the next video, we'll talk about how to make the box and whisker. If you have any questions, reach out. Talk soon.